Yeah, have you wondered why your video is always like this and not like this? Now, today I'm going to show you what is making your video to be like this and not like this. I'm going to show you what is causing it and how to fix this problem ASAP. So let's go into it. Welcome to Shavera, me again, Shavera Voice, where I will tell you the real details about YouTube. I've come again with another mind-blowing information that has been, I know that has been troubling you. One thing that is making your video to look like this is, number one thing is weak hook. The next 5 to 10 seconds did not get hooked. People did not get hooked to it. Definitely they are going to click out of your video. It's going to make people to click in and click out, which can cause low click rate on your video. So the solution to this is that you have to make sure that your first 10 seconds of your video is very attractive and it has a hook. Yes, it has a hook. Sometimes we ask to use some sound. If you are in entertainment industry, you ask to use some sound. Those sounds keep people hooked. And another thing, if your video is interesting as well, people get to watch that video very well. That will make that video look like this. So it's very, very important that you make sure you tighten your editing. Don't allow any flop. Please cut it off on your video so that people will click it, watch it finish, comment, like it, and even share the video to other people. This will make your video look like this, which will make the algorithm keep promoting your video to other people. Okay, the number two I want to talk about is your title and thumbnail. Your title and thumbnail must not mislead. You must not have a misleading title and thumbnail. This will really affect your click-through rate, because when your title is saying another thing, your thumbnail is saying another thing, the video is delivering another thing. This is going to make people to click in and click out. Yes, people are not going to stay long and watch your video, because what they see before they jump into your video is not what they are seeing inside your video. Definitely this is going to affect your click-through rate. Yes, when people clicking in and out without watching, liking, commenting, and also sharing your videos, this will automatically affect your click-through rate. It will hurt your video very bad. So that is why whatever you said on your title and thumbnail must be what is inside the video. The video must deliver what the title and thumbnail say for you to have a good result. Now, how to refresh your thumbnail and title. I'm going to give you a game A/B test. Now, you're going to refresh your title and thumbnail, and you're going to check your past videos that did well. The reason why those videos did well, that is what you are going to look at. Know what makes them do well. Then you are going to use the same title that you have on your video, what your video said, and use it to place on your thumbnail, so that when what people see on your thumbnail, that is when they enter your video, that is what they are going to see. So that will make people, before they click your video, they see something, and when they get to that video, they also see what they see outside. So that will make them keep watching until they finish the video. Less or irrelevant content will make your audience shift. If your title, the topic you are using, is a little bit different from what you have, the content you are creating is different from what you always create, even if it's a little bit tiny like this, people are going to shit from it. They're not going to continue, because that is not what you promised them. It's like somebody into teaching, education. You went and start doing cooking. People are not going to really patronize that your very video, because that is not what you promised them. So you are going to make sure you maintain what you have been creating to them. Not that you are going to create exactly that same video, but you're going to maintain your line and give them exactly what you promised them, exactly what they used to see, so that they will keep on coming again and again. Go to YouTube Analytics. Go and check if there is any little shift, whatever that shift from that place of what you used to do before. Now you're going to go to people in your niche. What are they watching? Your audience. Check the videos your audience are watching. When you get to YouTube, say that they place the videos that your audience are watching, those that subscribe to you, the videos they watch. So go there, check the videos they are watching if there is something different. So when you look at it, if there's something different, try and recreate what those ones are creating so that you will fit into the gap and make sure that people are watching it. So always go to your analytics, check what is going on in your analytics. Some people will do video 1 week, 2 weeks, they don't even go close to analytics. It's very, very important to go to analytics, know what is going on in your analytics. This will help you to correct any mistake. Immediately the mistake happen, you will be able to fish it out and correct it. The number fourth one I'm going to give you is video tools. See, if your video is too long and it's not passing the message it's supposed to pass, long and boring, people are going to click off your video immediately. Nobody is going to stay and watch it. So you must make sure that your video carries 3 things, which is educative, motivative, and also entertaining. If these 3 things, one of them is missing from your video, people are going to click in and out of your video. They are not going to stay and watch it. They're not going to watch it at a reasonable amount of time. They will just watch it and leave it. So you make sure that your video, as long as it passed the message it's supposed to pass, it hits the point. Yes, every minute in it, and its spot. Don't let anything shift from it. Hit your target directly, and people are going to stay to the end of that video. To fix this problem of long and boring videos, one is tighten your editing. Yes, to face this problem, tighten your editing. Don't let any flop, don't let any slow moment. Tighten it. Make your editing so attractive that when people come, they will not see any boring part in your editing. All they will see is excitement, from one part to another, from one part to another. The video will flow and smooth. Yes, if your video is slow and smooth, people are going to watch it to the end. Tighten your editing, very, very important. Every seconds of your video must count. It must earn its spot. So don't just edit anyhow and send it and expect people to watch it finish. Not everybody will sit down and start watching your boring video. So that is the reason why, because we have billions of people creating content on internet. So you have to make your video stand out. The fifth one is the algorithm not favoring your videos. The reason why the algorithm are not favoring your video, most of my video I always chip this in. When you have people that have subscribed to your channel that don't watch your channel, this will make the algorithm not to favor your video. Because when you have about 200 subscribers, when you send video, those 200, they don't watch your video, they don't like your video, they don't comment on it. So, and remember, one thing the algorithm does is that once you post your video, they are going to serve it to your audience first. Those people that subscribe to you, these are the people they will serve it first, and they watch them and see their reaction. If these people did not react positively to that video, the algorithm is not going to push that video out to further more people. It's not going to share it to more people. So it's going to believe that that video is not okay. That is why people are not watching it. So that is the reason why I said don't force anybody to subscribe to you or beg anybody to subscribe to you. Let them genuinely subscribe to your channel. So this will help you. Whenever you send video, they are waiting, they are eager to see your next video. They will watch it, they will like it, they will comment, and this will help the algorithm to push your video to more and more people. Boost early engagement. Yes, share your video to other social media apps. Then share your video to them, let people watch it. Make sure that people that subscribe to your channel are those ones that are genuinely interested in your video. So once this happens, as people watch it very early, as you upload the video, if you have any app that you have people that you are sure that watch that video, once that video goes public, send it to those people that you are sure. If you are not sure, don't send it to them. Send it to those people that you are sure that they watch it. Let them watch it. That early engagement used to boost your views. It boosts the algorithm. Make the algorithm look at it that the video is good, people are watching it, is interesting. They will shape that video and publish it and make sure they distribute it to other people that may need it. Repeating the same format. If you are repeating a particular something every time, you are repeating that same thing, it's not going to be engaging anymore. People are going to become predictable. They're going to predict your next move. And once people predicting your next move, they're going to lose interest in your video. So I'm not saying you should shift from your niche. No, keep your audience surprised. Let them see something that will surprise them. Let them see something that they can comprehend, something that they always, when they see it, it become mind-blowing. So that is how you keep your audience watching day after day, years after years. When they don't know your next move, they just see something that trigger them, that surprise them. This will also help the algorithm to push your video more, because the more people watch, like, and comment on your video, it shows that that video is okay, that video is interesting. The algorithm will boost that video to more people, and that will help your video to go more viral. Then how to fix this problem? Keep your audience surprised. Don't let them predict your video. Keep them surprised. Bring in new things every day. Bring in new things every day. From that your niche, make sure what you give them today, if they are expecting something like that tomorrow, they will see another thing that will surprise them. So this will keep your audience keep coming again and again and again and again. So if you like what we are doing, if you are set to this level and you are find value on what we are doing here, please and please don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, share it to your friends. If you have any issue you want us to talk about, please don't forget to comment on the comment section. We'll be so glad to assist you. Thank you. We love you.